I have used my Garmin a lot since owning one. It's been 4 months that I've had my Garmin, and I've really tried using it to its full potential. Not just the watch itself, but also the Garmin Connect app, really helping me transform, getting me into better shape. So I want to make this video really discussing how you can use your watch, regardless of what Garmin model you have, specifically inside the Garmin Connect app, what you could do right away so that you could start helping you in your workouts, but also getting you in a better shape. This is how we're going to break down the video and how the Garmin Connect can really help us in all three. I'm going to go ahead and put timestamps in the description down below. Hopefully it makes it a little bit easier if you guys want to skip or go back to a specific section. And while you're here, also, if you're into fitness tech, wearables, and that kind of thing, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. I have a video that comes out every week. And let's just get this video started. So on the Garmin app, besides the main dashboard, I actually spent most of the time on the calendar tab. And on here, the reason why is because this is where you would go ahead and schedule your workouts or add a workout. Now, for me personally, what I do is I like on a Sunday scheduling the workouts that I'm gonna do for that week. So today's earlier in the week, and if you're looking at the app currently while watching this video, the reason why mine looks a little bit less cluttered is because you could go on the top right section and filter it to only show your workouts. I schedule my pool, my swimming workouts, and my lifting workouts myself. The running ones come from a training plan, which we'll talk later in the video. So scheduling and adding a workout's real simple. Let me show you. It just takes a couple seconds. This is the workout that I'm about to do, and you can get as specific as you want, inserting the weight load, the reps, the rest time. I like this because now it serves as a workout journal to really keep that progression. I like to insert the rest time because it really helps me kind of get in and out of the workout, making sure I'm not just dragging it. You don't have to do this, but that's personally what I like. Also, it's really impressive, the exercise library that comes with the Garmin Connect app. You have pretty much every exercise with every type of variation on here, regardless of the equipment: barbells, dumbbells, kettlebells, bands, rings. These are for deadlifts. And if you're new to lifting or workout at the gym or at home, Garmin also has you covered. You can select find a workout, and on here it will list the workouts for you, give you demonstrations that you're performing it right, and also show you what muscle groups you are working. So the amount of customization in any sport, not just lifting, really excels anything that I've seen from Apple's ecosystem or its third-party apps. And you guys know this channel, we try to dig into different apps and products. Now you can customize this and change the targets, which I really love. So for example, on a deadlift, I might do 225 weight for 10 reps. So the weight is the target. But you can also change that. For example, if you're doing a plank, you're not gonna have maybe weight, you might set the target for time. So that's gonna be a plank for 30 seconds to 1 minute. And it varies, you kind of get the point. If it's sports, running, swimming, cycling, you change the targets from heart rate to distance to laps. Really, the customization is so impressive, which is what I love. The Garmin app can also be a great tool if, in my opinion, if you're a trainer and you're looking to send a workout to a client. So you could send not just one workout, but a group of workouts in any sport. It doesn't have to be just lifting. It could be as simple as a walk, run, cycle, swim. And it doesn't just send to their phone. If they have the Garmin watch, then automatically that workout is with them on their wrist. So the next thing I wanted to mention are the training plans. So my running workouts, I didn't talk about it before because my running workouts aren't designed by me. I'm following a 16-week training plan from the Garmin app. I'm currently at 12 weeks, so I have 4 weeks left to go. I won't go into every little detail on the training plans, but with Garmin, you do have access to Garmin Coach, and Garmin Coach are adaptive training plans. They have these for running and for cycling. So I've used the training plans on Strava, I've used the training plans on Run with Halls, and out of those two, I could say the Garmin Connect is my favorite. I'm enjoying it the most. And you have these from, I believe, from 5K all the way to a half marathon, and you can customize it. So you can set a goal for completion, like if you want to complete a 5K all the way to a half marathon, or you can also set a goal for a timed run. I'll show you mine. So I've been training for the half marathon in San Francisco in sub 2 hours, so I have a time run of 1 hour and 58 minutes. And the training plan adapts to how you perform your run. Also how you rate your run, your recovery, and your sleep. Of course, it gets that data from the Garmin watch that you have. So I just finished a run this morning, and I'll show you, I'm gonna rate the run, and I'll also go ahead and put the workout right over here. But this is just a sample of the Garmin Coach training plan. Now you should know, because I actually didn't find out about this until maybe a month ago, is that Garmin Coach are the adaptive training plans. And if you want more training plans, something for a triathlon, a full marathon, or an ultra marathon, then you can go on the Garmin website and pull from a huge list of different training plans right there. So definitely check that out as well. So in regards to nutrition, Garmin doesn't have a section where you can log what you're eating, but what it does do is that it pairs really well with MyFitnessPal. And if you're not familiar with MyFitnessPal, it's been an app that's been around for years, and it helps with logging anything that you eat. I think its strength is going to be that it has a huge library of foods, and it's great for whatever your goals are, if it's to lose weight, gain weight, or maintain weight. Now, you probably noticed on your Garmin app though, on the default homepage, there's a calories column. You could see your goals that you would set up through MyFitnessPal, your active calories that you burned, and the calories remaining. Vice versa, it works the same way on MyFitnessPal. So if you're familiar with that app, you have your traditional caloric goal, and then it's gonna subtract the food that you're inputting, that you scan, and it's gonna subtract your active calories, which comes from your Garmin watch, from the Garmin Connect app. It's really simple because it does it all for you. The only thing you have to do is just scan the barcode of what you're eating or input if you're making something at home. Now, by no means am I encouraging you to count your macros or scan everything that you eat. It's just, for me personally, I really feel like it's helped me to become more aware and more educated on what it is that I'm consuming. So personally, it's helped me, even if it's just in those small steps. Beet juice. And yeah, I really am gonna drink this. The last tool I would recommend that you check out is gonna be the sleep feature. Now, most Garmin watches have the ability to track your sleep, and from these 4 or 5 months of using mine, I would say it's fairly accurate from when it tells me at the moment I go to sleep to the moment that I wake up. And also, if you have some of the newer models, it can also break down the stages of sleep. It'll show you light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. I try to focus on really 2 things, keep it simple. First of all is that I'm getting a minimum of 7 hours. I would say 8, but that's not really happening. 7 hours is the minimum that I set for myself. Then the next thing is gonna be building a sleep schedule. So making sure I'm at bed at a certain time and I'm waking up at a certain time. That's really what has helped me overall with the whole Garmin experience and the Garmin Connect app. Coming from an Apple Watch user, I just remember that it was that I was having to download a lot of third-party apps, maybe for an exercise library. Then when it came to working out, I would use the workout app. But on specific workouts, like if it was running or when I was cycling, I would have to use Strava. And when it came to the sleep, that's on another app. So the nice thing is that when it comes to health and fitness, Garmin Connect really consolidates everything. But overall, yeah, I'm extremely happy with it. Hopefully, if you guys like this video and if it's been beneficial in any way, do me a favor, smack that like button for me. And I have a playlist right here where I go over a lot of products that I personally am using or have used. So click that over here, and here's another video. Also, I have my half marathon in less than a month away. So I have a lot of product reviews coming out, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.